So you have to come to the people with more than just, well, it's my time now.
Welcome back again. It's your girl Ata for the press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, I don't know, so when I come out, you know, I come with the real news, you know. Real news around here. So guess what I want to know for them? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Ata for the press. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But my people, I don't know, so I can't go further until me big up my good up subscribers them, you know. So today I'm going to big up Arlene Froome 9775 and Wayne Gray 2398. Big up on yourself. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. So guys, if you want a shout out, all you have to do this time, I do it differently. Just make a comment, okay? I'm gonna just make a comment and we give you a shout out. But I'm gonna do the shout out randomly, okay? I'm gonna choose persons randomly. Anyway, let me just get right into it. Come here for waste no time round here. Uno need to hear this. Member of Parliament MP for Western St. Mary, Robert Montague, is calling on the government to consider facilitating an increase in the salaries for more low-income public sector contract workers. Mr. Montague made the call during his contribution to the constituency debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. He says the recent public sector salary restructuring exercise has seen a raft of Jamaicans at varying levels getting salary increases, including some CEOs and managing directors. So my people wanna hear this, I wanna know. Him just realize that these people, public sector contract workers, they need increase of their salaries. Him just realize it. By the way, you know, say election so come, don't it? Right, February election a come. So I don't know how it go. So everybody I try them very best. Which nothing wrong with that, Robert Montague. Yeah, and you see some of the CEO, management director, them a get for them pay raise already. So my people, I just want to see that because he come out. For some reason, he come out and this is what he said. I want to hear it. So I want to tell me what I think about it. All right, my people, hear this.
Our Parliament about it. It keep happening. As a member of Parliament, I'm very upset about it. This cannot keep happening in Southeast St. Mary. This is some of the problem we face along the Junction Road by the irresponsible operators who are on the road. We paved this corner here that has been in disrepair for so long. And we paved this corner here Sunday night. And by the same Sunday night or Monday, a tractor drove on the just finished asphalted area. And look at it. Dig up all of the area back. Dig it all around, all right around. To put the area back in the same situation as it was in before. I mean, this is so irresponsible of this person, and therefore it creates this problem where taxpayers' money have to be used repeatedly to fix the same area. This is a disgrace. So I have brought this to the attention of the NWA, different parties in NWA. I've also brought this to the attention of the mining ministry, right? That these quarries must be held responsible, and these persons should repair this road. It should not be the taxpayers who is calling to repair this area again. This cannot keep happening.
My viewers and subscribers, this a man you know what talk about the road. Una sister they don't have no bloody sense. This a man where we just listen to. Him sound like insensible. This a man is unsensible. Number one, that the road they never fix good. That's a number one. Number two, you might talk about the road and the side part. The side part gone completely. He did fix that the part there. Cause you know people, me think say the side part in did attack, you know. But me come to realize say at the little patchy road them a talk about. And I talk about how taxpayer money, he is very upset because taxpayer money mustn't pay for road again. Eh? And the Larry people them fi pay. Listen, brother. You see, if the road they did fix from the very first time and fix properly, no Larry not can mash up no road. I try to use the taxpayer money right. That's why. You hear him? Myself when I hear this man here lick him head. Come like he lick him head when he's small. Because me want know, you claim say you fix road. Yeah? Pan which day. And then the same day or the next day, the road look like that. Eh? So then if the road look like that, that means that the road never fixed properly. And if nobody enough to drive on the road, you have to put up sign. You have to put up sign and have somebody out there. Because me know say if you don't put up the sign, people will move it and still drive on it. You understand? So you have to put up sign or you have somebody out there. That make more sense to me. But when now you come talk, Mr. MP, when you come out, no, I come say, oh, you're very upset and you contact the NWD or the NW or whoever you want to contact. Does it really make sense? And I talk about you go charge people for fix the road. So who for fix the road? I taxpayer money for fix the road. Larry money not for fix no road. No driver money not for fix no road. A taxpayer money for fix it because when you use taxpayer money do a lot of things where Jamaica can benefit from. So, as he mash up, you fix it again. And if you mash again, you fix it. Because you get 80 billion a year out of taxpayer money. Them something piss me off, my people. When me hear the man talk about the road and I show some little holy, brother, go sit down. Go sit down with that. Go if you go with that. My people, you can't imagine. Me tell you, you know. Liberty really come through carelessness. This a man no one can charge drivers, Larry drivers now. Drivers for fix back the road. And a complaint say they don't want to use taxpayer money. Brother, I the wrong complaint I complain about taxpayer money. And that if I complain about when them a take with the money and I do other things, I take the money and I invest in a private this and private that. That is what you're supposed to complain about. You go backward. And it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. People, drivers, when you don't see these things, taxi operator, truck driver, when you don't see these things, you don't need to come out and protest. Because I saw them start the things little by little. You hear me? Because how the hell drivers or lorry driver fi go pay for road? For what reason? For fix which road? A taxpayer money fi fix it. So if you mash up 100 times, a taxpayer car can't mash up no bloody road. The road never fixed good in the first place. And you talk about road and look on the edge. Look on the edge where somebody can come around the corner, yeah, and meet in an accident. And go straight cross. Are you being serious? And you talk about road fix and you're upset. You're upset over the wrong thing, brother. The wrong thing you're upset over. My people, wanna tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. I want your phone of views on this. Alright? Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Make sure so you watch a video good enough. Hear what me say and tell me phone of views. Alright? Hear this. Cause the one Andrew Imeno, he think him a hot stepper. Hear that one, yeah?
Really want to see their government perform and deliver. So you have to come to the people with more than just, well, it's my time now. The people see through that. You have to come to the people with something that's uplifting, something that is hopeful. Because to suggest that, well, you know, I've had it for years and my time come to have it again, suggests a sense of entitlement. That regardless of your own improvement, God has given them the title and ownership. That's how they sound. But Jamaicans are not going to be fooled by that.
My viewers and subscribers, on the ear the one Andrew Ole she, on the hear him, on the hear him how him a chat off him out. You see him face? I come talk about PNP must come better than that. Because PNP are going like say them are them own the title. You hear him? That's all him a compete for and a work for be title. And not no back of that. Not no back of that, my viewers and subscribers. And you always not care about not a soul of Jamaica. I'm telling you all the while, more on him and his family and his friend them. He not care about the Jamaican people. So when him come now and I come make him pretty speech, are you are the one we are trick people, Andrew Holness? Are you are the one that give we no hope. You are the one where we not believe in her. You are the one that is not a man of integrity. You are not a leader. You understand what I say? So when you come out and a dash your word on the opposition side, it is pointless. It is really pointless. And then when you come out and come make speech, yeah, you don't know what the chat say. You don't know if the chat and you make Mark Golden come out and talk the way he's supposed to talk as a leader. And Joelness, as far as me see, there's no qualities in you to be leader for the country. Your time is up. So when you throw your word and dash your word upon the other party, and I said if you come better than that and all this foolishness and you honestly, you not do better because you not do nothing. You're not doing nothing. The little way you do what you know say election will come, so you hurry up. Hurry. Be a foolishness you keep up. Pure foolishness. See, your MP come out and come talk about now. Him want lorry driver for pay for fix the road. All that stupidness there. And when they're done, when they come chat about prosperity. And when they're done, no followers, few followers, always across people that talk about Andrew Holness and the good. And you're not doing nothing for the country, Andrew Holness. Nothing for the country. You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself to go on a platform like that and talk about another party. You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself to do that. Come out and utter such words out of your mouth. You shouldn't be ashamed because the way how you deal with the Jamaican people, them, we don't forget. We don't forget the way how you deal with we. No matter things you can come and I get one or two people in a full constituency, some us, and think say everything good. Everything no good around here, brother. Everything no good around here. You understand me? People wanna tell me one thing. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.